Aigi ming Kamba Minota and attackable subject the class 9 amasung 11 biology. Chapter number 12, the fundamental unit of life. Cell. Okay, so let's see what is cell first. We all know that living organisms are made up of cells. So let's define what is cell first. Cell is defined as the structural and functional unit of living organisms. Okay, let's see who discovered and how discovered cell. Cell was first discovered by scientists called Robert Hooke in the year 1665 in a thin slice of coal. This is a material obtained from the bark of a tree known as cork oak or Quercus subur. Actually, the cell which was discovered by Robert Hooke was a dead cell. Habidi cell se ihan hanbo ina ko Robert Hooke na puthoksa khasu adugi cell dudi dead cell neba ko aduna khara leraga habidi in 1674 da Anton von Leeuwenhoek haiba scientist ina ko afaba bakhalgi microscope si naraga pond water da free living cells habse man ihan hanbo ina puthokhiba ko. So let's see, according to the cell theory, all organisms are composed of cells and cell is the basic unit of life. Hariba theory se ihan han oina kanan proposed to hai targadi was first proposed by two biologists Sladen and Swan. Later on, what happened? This theory was further extended by Virchow in the year 1855 by adding a statement. Mana sa hariba theory anido. Habidi kari no habida ahambada all living organisms are composed of cells. Habidi geopam kudi magse cells sai haiba amalai ko. Second, cell is a basic unit of life. Jiba pame kudimaki quite basic of cell ni haiba. Hariba theory gi statement anisida Virchow na further add tauki. Kari statement no habida all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Habidi cell kudimak se hana lena cell gi amu horok pani haiba statement se amu Virchow na 1855 ta add tawami. Okay. So let's see again how we can classify organisms on the basis of number of cells. Being a class me tam cell single cell multicellular organisms so that was on the basis of number of cells. So again, let's see today how we can classify the organisms on the basis of number of cells. Okay, so on the basis of number of cells, we can classify organisms into unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. As we all know that unicellular habidi amma, aduna unicellular organisms are those cells which have a single cell. Okay, even though they are made up of single cell, they can perform all the bodily functions. Natra, habidi single cell ojataragasu moina bodily functions may have the lower tobanga. Okay. Example the karike habiyare koina unicellular organisms ta amoeba, paramecium, bacteria. See ahum se koina unicellular organisms se haina khangnarani. Okay. So next multicellular organisms. Multi koina khanglare multi habidi maya many have. So those organisms which are made up of more than one cell are known as multicellular organisms. Example the koina habiyare fungi, plants and all the animals. Okay. So again, on the basis of presence and absence of nuclear membrane and organelles, nuclear membrane and cell organelles, cells are again we can divide into two types. They are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are they are the primitive cells in which what happened, nuclear membrane and the membrane bound cells are absent. And the organisms which possess such kind of cells are known as prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are tiny primitive cells and they are very much small and they have a single chromosome. Apart from that, what happened? Their nuclear bound membrane or the nuclear membrane are absent. Eukaryotic cells. Okay. So as compared to the prokaryotic cells, what happened? In eukaryotic cells, cells have well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound cell organelles. And as compared to the prokaryotic cell, what happened in eukaryotic cells, there are more than one chromosome and the size is comparatively larger than the prokaryotic cells. And those organisms which possess such kind of eukaryotic cells are known as eukaryotes. Further, we can classify the eukaryotic cells into two types. Classification that is plant cell and animal cell. Okay, so here in plant cell, what happened? Cell walls and plastids are present. Then vacuoles are larger. That is approximately 50 to 90% of the cell volume are covered by these vacuoles. And here in this plant cell, centrioles are absent. Again, in animal cells, what happened? Plant cell in animal cells, cell walls and plastids are absent, and even though vacuoles are present, they are of small size. Vacuoles so plant cell the yam chow 50 to 90% cover. In case of animal cells, they are of very they are almost absent. A very in a very small size. Animal cell only fat cells. Then one point. Centrioles, centrioles among us the absent plant cell the centrioles. So in case of animal cell, what happened? In all the animal cells, centrioles are present, except in few worms like nematodes. See about the structural organization of a cell. Kamay tiraga cell gi magi structural organization kari kamay saba habdo basically all cells have three components, right? That we have been studying from the very lower classes. That is plasma membrane, nucleus, and in between these two, what? The cytoplasm. Okay, let's see first about the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, it is the outermost covering of a cell. Plasma membrane has cell compound layer that separates the contents of the cell from the external environment. Mana mapangi sangba environment dagi habidi intracellular space kumbadagi mana masay manungi cell contents mayam the mana separate tawbini bukwa. It is flexible and contains organic materials like proteins and lipids. Then what happened? Mana ngasagi layer amo oram mana kadogi ang it controls the movements of some materials in and out of the cell. Then not only that, what happened? They even prevent the movement of some materials. Aduna mana ngasagi plasma membranes na kadoba materials kharadi mana manung mapan phawdo hojin yahandaba plus mana ngasagi even material khari sungsang busang handeba aduna kadoba magi hariba plasma membrane se koina they are also known as the semi permeable membrane hanisu khangnei ba. Okay, in plant cells, what happened? There is another layer, another rigid layer known as the cell wall that lies outside the plasma membrane, which is mainly composed of cellulose. Cellulose na saba ngasagi cell wall haiba ama ngasagi plasma membrane sigi mapanda yauriba karaida in plant cells da. Mano kedoba it permits what? Plants, fungi, and bacterial walls to withstand the bursting. Ngasai muhariba cells sing na hypotonic solution da thamma matamda burst of the nabagi moida ngasai cell wall sina moida kudong jaba pi haiba ko. So we have seen about the plasma membrane. Next main component is the nucleus. Nucleus is the basic class nucleus is the brain of the cell. Here again we are going to study the same thing, that is nucleus is functionally known as the brain of the cell. Why? It controls all the activities of the cell. Nucleus is cell function activities control nucleus cell brain of the cell. The nuclear membrane separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Masagi nucleus to go cytoplasm ni marakta kanana amu cover tawge kanana masi amu separate tawge hai targadi nuclear membrane haiba mong layeba. Then again, nucleus ti manung da kari yawi. Nucleus ti manung da chromosomes haibam su yawi ko. Chromosomes kamai tawge haibada which are visible as rod-shaped structure. Rod-shaped structure man ba chromosome haibam su ngasai nucleus ti manung da yawi ba. Okay. Then again, chromosomes manung da kari yawi yang se ko. Chromosomes are mainly composed of DNA and proteins. Then again, DNA contains what? DNA contains the information for the inheritance of features from parents to the offspring. Parents again the offspring checking about character inherit the character tor iba mayam do kana imron do yawe haita kadi DNA do manong do yaw ni ba DNA do kana imron do yaw ni haita di am chromosome imron do yaw ni ba chromosome do kana imron do yaw ni haita kadi it is inside the nucleus again, and nucleus kadi yaw ni haita it is again inside the cell ko do na yeng si ko. So again, inside the nucleus there is another spherical structure known as nucleolus ko. Nucleus karamba nucleus ngasai dark or spherical or structure ama nucleus gi manung da yawi ba mana kedaba masa kedaba hai matam da which reappears and disappears during the various stages of cell division. Okay, so again it also plays, it has have the nucleus. Nucleus plays a central role in cellular reproduction also. Next main component is the cytoplasm. It is the fluid contained inside the plasma membrane which contains many specialized organelles. Natra. Habidi ngasai ikune cell cytoplasm se kai ni hagige. Cell gi maruiba main component ahum laiki kari plasma membrane, nucleus laiki ko. Adu maraki anido maraki space to bo koina cytoplasm haineba. Adu fluid containing adu kari yauge haitaragadi there are so many cell organelles. Cell organelles yawi. Cytoplasm ki mai function se kai nu yang si ko. It helps in the exchange of materials between these cell organelles. Cell organelles myam tamakini ko next class da adugumba cell organelles myam do kai yawi haita de cell cytoplasm de yawi ni adu cytoplasm myam yawi do hariba cell organism cell organelles myam do gi materials myam do exchange kai tawge haita di it's taken place inside the cytoplasm. Most importantly, cytoplasm is the site of various metabolic pathways.